Hey, what's up you guys? So, I am so excited because today my Accio box came. This actually came way earlier than it did last month. It came at like middle to end of the month last month. Get one every month. Okay. I haven't actually had an October box. I think I maybe subscribed last year in like near the end of the month, maybe like November. So I had like the cozy box, which I think was like the first one that I got. This one is October's box, black tissue paper. I've not seen any spoilers for this, so I have no idea what to expect. Maybe a t-shirt, I don't know. They tend to put like wearables and things like that. But obviously if you haven't, if you don't want to know what's in this month's Accio box, then like skip this video. Like there's gonna be spoilers. I'm gonna be opening the box. Oh. Okay, I'm sensing like there's a lot of color. A lot of color so far, and it feels very like Honeydukes. Oh my god. I'm literally so excited. Hopping chocolate socks. We hope these hoppy socks add a spring to your step and some magic to your day. But these are so cute. Yellow and purple chocolate frog socks. Very cozy. This goes like with the shirt that we got last month. It was the purple Weasley's Wizard Whiz Bangs, I believe. It was purple and gold. Very stretchy, very soft. I love that they have this detailing, and I will put those on. Those are really cute. I am excited about that, and this packaging is adorable.
And it looks like these socks were created by the Muggle-born sisters. I've heard of them on Instagram. They have their label on the bottom of the socks.
How cute is it on the packaging? It has the spells to clean and dry these. So use Scourgify to clean and Tergio to dry. Or do it the Muggle way. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm actually really amazed. Okay, so try not to look. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this box. Okay. So the next item is this Accio exclusive pen. Eat, you'll feel better. Oh, it's chocolate.
I am definitely thinking this box is Honeydukes themed now.
So this is what Lupin says to Harry in book 3, movie 3, when he is attacked by the Dementor for the first time on the train. That is so cute. So cute. There's 2 of these, it looks like. Aww. Interesting. Not really something that I would expect, but it looks like they're little Florian Fortescue's ice cream cups, and I guess it's for just 1 scoop, so it's like rounded inside, and green and blue, which is very like Honeydukes feeling, but it says Florian Fortescue's, it doesn't say that, frozen confection since 1947. Do not dishwash, do not microwave. They're kind of, I don't know, it's not necessarily my taste, but they're cute. I love that they're themed to be Harry Potter, but I don't love the look of them. They're a little bit like childish because they're plastic, but they do have the design of maybe a cone or something like an ice cream cone, and it is really cute. Saving my favorite thing for last is a to-do list. It says been there, done that, and it is a to-do list. It's a pretty large pad with some nice paper, with just like Bertie Bott's every flavored beans theme.
Didn't have too much to say about this pad, but it really is nice. The graphic is gorgeous, and it definitely will get some good use out of it. And anything that's like Harry Potter themed or that's not super overtly Harry Potter, I just love that kind of stuff to use in my everyday, just to slip a little bit of magic into my everyday.
And this is what I'm so excited about. So it's another, get the wiggly worms off. It is another staff t-shirt in a mint green. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so it says staff right here. It's like obviously the Honeydukes theme. And then on the back it says, ask me about our deluxe sugar quills. Is that what it says? Ask me to try our new deluxe sugar quills, longer lasting flavor. And they mention this in book number 6. They are in Hogsmeade. Zonko's has closed down, so they go into Honeydukes, and then right before Katie gets cursed by the necklace, they are in Honeydukes, and they are way more interested than they should be about the sugar quills, because Ron is upset because he did not get invited to Slughorn's thing. Says Magical Sweets is this month's theme. Anything off the trolley, dears? This month we celebrate some of the most tantalizing treats in the magical world, from hopping amphibian confections to mysteriously flavored beans and delicious remedies against dark forces. We'll take the lot. The socks are $14, the shirt was $25, the pen was $12. These ice cream bowl sets are $8, and the Being There Done That productivity pad is $8. My favorite thing obviously is the shirt, but I really love the socks. These are really fun, and I will definitely get use out of the Being There Done That pad. And this goes on my pen board thing, and I might try to sell these because I don't love them. So that's what I got. What was your favorite thing? Are you getting Accio box? Do you get Accio box? Are you gonna subscribe to Accio box? Obviously not sponsored, but let me know.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. To see more like it, be sure to like and subscribe to be notified for when we sporadically post, and we'll see y'all then. Thanks. Bye.